Coming up on today's Panther Beat.
The Me Too Brigade gets ready for competition.
And our boys basketball takes a stance against cancer.
Your Panther Beat starts now.
What's up, O'Fallon? I'm Cece.
And I'm Monty, and welcome to your Panther Beat for Thursday, January 23rd.
Our robotics team is hard at work preparing for an upcoming competition. Let's take a look.
The robot has two different methods of scoring. The first is by using a PVC pipe, which we call coral. And the other way you can score points is by taking these inflatable balls that we call algae and putting them in a processor. Our team's goal is to continue to grow our team, get more publicity to gain more people next year, and hopefully we can do as well as we can. It's definitely just combining all the different systems together, because although individually they can seem pretty simple, when you have to combine them all together it can become very complex and overwhelming.
O-Town Hoops is joining the fight against childhood cancer.
That's right, our Panthers are taking on the Collinsville K-Hawks on February 11th in the Hoops for Hope charity game. All proceeds go to St. Jude Children's Hospital.
Purchase a t-shirt to support your team and St. Jude's.
Every 2 minutes, a child is diagnosed with cancer. Help raise awareness.
If you're looking for a job, head over to the Parks and Recreation Job Fair on Thursday at the Katie Caven Center from 3 to 5 p.m.
Positions include sports park concessions, referees, camp counselors, and many more.
Now let's pass it over to the sports desk.
Hey, Afan, I'm Matthias with the Panther Sports. Congratulations to our cheerleaders for winning the conference championship last weekend. Our boys bowling team took home third place at sectionals this weekend and will be heading to state this Friday. Great work, boys. Boys lacrosse has 15 roster spots open for the spring season. You don't need any prior experience, only a great attitude and work ethic. They will provide all the gear you need, and we teach you to play. If you are interested in more information, please email Coach Stapchuk. To any students interested in participating in the boys volleyball, there will be 2 open gyms before tryouts. February 14th, 4 to 5:30, and February 17th, 4:15 to 5:45. Both at Milburn campus. Any questions can be redirected to Coach Amy Sheehan, boys head volleyball coach. In today's sports, girls basketball plays Edwardsville at Edwardsville tonight at 7:30. Good luck, girls. That's all for me. Now over to the Panther birthdays.
Hi, O'Fallon. I'm Julian with the birthdays. Celebrating yesterday, January 27th, were Danielle Atkins, Andrew Malone, and Lauren Smith. And a special happy birthday goes out to Senora Boggs. Happy birthday today, January 28th, goes out to Jack Emmerich, Larry Smith, Jasmine Spencer, and Jermel Washington. And a special happy birthday goes to Miss Ramondi. That's all from me. Now back to the news desk.
And now for your club news. Book Club meets this Wednesday after school in Smiley Room 205. You'll discuss book club updates and select a novel to read as a group. Everyone is welcome.
Asian Culture Club meets today after school in room 907 to discuss the upcoming Lunar New Year.
Pride meets today in Smiley Room 805. Everyone is welcome. Our club meets tomorrow after school in Smiley Room 615.
Spanish Club meets tomorrow after school in Smiley Room 310. You'll discuss spring events and do a Spanish scavenger hunt.
First Priority meets in the Panther Center today after school. It's Invite Week, so invite a friend. Enjoy pizza and drinks. MLK Club meets tomorrow, January 29th, in room 412. Come with new ideas to celebrate Black History Month. The meeting will end around 4:30. That's it for today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel.